Alright guys, I wanna tell you something. So, today I had a meeting with my team at my office. But because I live in a country called Indonesia, so they're using Indonesian, they're using Bahasa. And this is the reason why I love this country so much. Because in the meeting, things that very important to talk is only like 10% until 20%. And this is the habit of the Indonesians that I really hate. Unfortunately, I had that blood. So I really hate myself too with this kind of blood, this kind of generation. Because in Indonesia, if you had no skill, if you had no special ability in certain occupation, or maybe in the, how is it called, a work, you don't have a skill at that specific work or occupation, you have opinion. That's the reason I love this country so much, because there are so many stupid people in my environment, especially in my office. They're all very stupid because they had no skill, but they can talk like they're really expert in it. Like, I have like this camera, I turn on this camera and then I talk to you guys. I operate so many accounts that I can provide myself alone. So I know exactly how the algorithm work. Including this account, I know how the algorithm works. So I don't really mind if my video or my content is not that much viewers, because I know exactly what I'm doing. But they have no specific skills in social media, but they called me doesn't make sense. Like, which part that doesn't make sense? Is this your thought or my word in social media as a social media specialist? In Indonesia, if you have a job like a trader, crypto trader, forex trader, stock trader, bonds trader, you're just like gambling. In Indonesia, it's illegal. It's called gambling, illegal gambling. But in the country that number one, number two, like a China, like America, the trader job is a really dreaming job. And it's exactly like it. I am a social media specialist and I put myself into it. So I know exactly how the social media